Hello, buddy. Welcome back to my video. Today I'm showing off the Sonic Screwdrivers. This new one I made. So here's the Cincy Soccer Sonic. Ben made one. Be honest. And now let's move on to the season 2. Season 2 Sonic would be this one right here. The 17th Sonic. And now here is the 17th. This is the 17th, and this is the 18th of my series. So, now, you all know about this Sonic right here, because this is the 14th. But, and be honest, you all haven't seen this in the show. The Ben Made series, because this one haven't been shown that much, so I just fix that. And plus, it looks cool in general, but yeah. Well, here are all the Sonics going to be used in the next episode. You're going to see this more often. And this one will be the next series. Next few episodes. Who knows? But yeah. But again, these are the Ben Made ones. These 3 right here. You can actually get them yourself and try and make this one. It's still pretty cool. Pretty cool. So yeah. See you on the next episode.